Speciality Block पुराय थंयसर एस्टाब्लिश केला होता. आता त्यांनी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे फुल फ्लेज जे डॉक्टर मंजुनाथ देसाई कार्डियक युनिट जे ह्या तांच्याच नावान कार्डियक ब्लॉक एस्टाब्लिश केलो वयतलो आणि तशें जाता तितले बेगीन हे केले वयतले. आज आयच्या दिसा म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे जाण डॉक्टर मंजुनाथ देसाई हांकां याद करपा खातीर तांची कितल्योश्योच यादो आमच्या भितर शेअर करपा खातीर आमच्या मदीं आसा.
Dr. Manjunath lives on, and all of you in the Department of Cardiology. So that work that you are doing, I think the people will bless you, and all of us, it's a responsibility here today that all of us should make sure that our prayers and blessings are with Mrs. Desai, Dr. Manjunath's son, and I think Goa prays for them.
Dr. Manjunath is a doctor with a difference. That difference, of course, elicited before us. The government people had a occasion to enjoy it. And today, through the speeches and presentation, I myself satisfied that he is a doctor with a difference.
He is an alumnus of Goa Medical College and taught his class throughout MBBS. Having completed his MD in General Medicine in Goa Medical College, he proceeded to United States of America, where he completed his residency in General Medicine and his fellowship in cardiology with academic excellence.